welcome. In this video we will look at several methods to turn work when crocheting rows in both double and triple crochet. I won't cover all of the ways that this can be done in this video, but this will be a good starting point for those new to crochet.
When crocheting rows, often it can be frustrating when it doesn't end up looking as neat as you'd like. The edges might be uneven, or you might have large holes at the end of your rows. In this video we're going to have a look at some ways that these issues can be resolved for both double crochet and triple crochet. If we take a look at this sample, this is triple crochet using a chain 3 as a turning chain, which also counts as the first stitch in each new row. Using this method, it can appear uneven and you end up with some larger holes at the end of each row. There are several ways to alter this so that you don't have these large holes. In this sample, at the end of each row, 2 chain stitches have been created, and then the next triple crochet has been performed into the base of the very next stitch. This has helped with the small holes that we saw in the previous sample, but we do see a bit of this unevenness along the edges. In this final sample, the end of each row has only had a chain 1, with the next triple crochet being completed in the next stitch along from the chain 1. As you can see, we have a much more even edge and no large holes. For me personally, this is the method that I prefer for triple crochet. When looking at double crochet, this sample has been created by chaining 1 and turning work, and with a crochet into the next stitch away from the chain 1. As you can see, there are no large holes, however there is a bit of an irregular shape down the sides. When we compare this with a sample that has had no chain 1 but instead has just been turned with the next double crochet into the next stitch along, we can see that we have a much smoother edge. In actual fact, the chain 1 often isn't necessary. It may look like there isn't much difference, but if we compare them side to side, you will see quite a bit of difference. By holding the 2 samples next to each other, we can actually really see the difference that dropping the chain 1 makes. This sample has the chain 1, and this sample has none. Personally, I prefer the smoother finish of omitting the chain 1.